Hey, what's up, guys? We're back here in Tinkercad for the daily build. Uh, I thought today I want to do a stress-free creative build. You guys probably saw the thumbnail, so I hope it looked good because I haven't seen it yet. Um, so I want to do like a spaceship. And you know what's cool about a spaceship is it doesn't have to look like anything. Like there is no specific way that a spaceship has to look. So that's very freeing. So what we're going to do, though, as a little test, I wonder if I want some angles on here. I'm just grabbing some shapes. So we're going to do a whole bunch of like duplicating, and we're going to make it look like we spent many hours on this design, but it won't be true. We're not going to be spending nearly that amount. Let's just see what we could build in like 45 minutes. Oops. Well, see, there is no wrong move. So see, we're going to do a bunch of duplicating. So, but we do want to line stuff up before we start duplicating. So I'm thinking about like an engine, a back engine. So I'm just putting some shapes together. And because, spacecraft is pretty complicated shape-wise. So why don't we just put... Ooh, whoops. I thought I duplicated that. So let's duplicate this and then stretch it out. Is it smaller? Oh yeah, that's smaller. But is it... Okay, let's go like that. Okay, let's align everything up again. Okay, there. So see, I'm adding a little bit of texture on here. Let's add a little more because what we're going to do is I'm going to duplicate and spin this around, and it'll look like we spent a whole lot of time on it. I'm like thinking about maybe like the back of the engine. Like I'm just going to make it a shape, and then we'll use it for something. Here, how about let's grab one of these wacky Majoo jabbers. Let's do this. This is fun. You can't screw it up. There's no way to screw it up. What about a little ball on top of there? Whoopsies. It'll make it kind of flat so it fits good. I'm trying to be conscious about like if we need supports or not too, though. So okay, let's do that. Yeah, see, that's already just a weird something, and it doesn't look like much, but it'll look all of a sudden complicated when we spin this bad boy. Oops, we got to put a ball on the other side. Okay, so it's like in from that, which is fine. I don't even care. That might look good. Why does it look like it's... That's lined up, ain't it? Yeah. Okay, duplicate. And cruise. Oh, dope. I should have just done one side and then... Whatever. Let's bring this one over also. I could have just done one side and then moved it over, but... Because now I don't know how far out that is. Okay. Let's go in. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, both of them are 5 out from when they appear. Sometimes I just count stuff out because I don't like to measure. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, them should be about the same. Yeah, they are the same. Okay, finally, are you ready? Now we can do... Yeah, see, this is an oval. I'm not sure if we'll leave it an oval, but let's see what it looks like. Because we're gonna just duplicate this whole thing and watch. We're gonna spin it a little bit. Let's spin it this far. And then let's just hit duplicate again. See? Yeah, cool. Okay, I like that. And here, let's change it all to, so it looks like we're actually doing something here. There. Spacecraft. Yeah, see, look at all this detail, and we didn't even do nothing yet. Okay, and now, let's see if we can do it again. Well, let's see. There's our square. Okay, let's just see what it looks like if we put one up and then make it smaller. Boop, 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 boop. Like if we have one sit up here, yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Should we spin it a little bit? Yeah, we could spin it so it's like that. Okay, and now we gotta pick some different stuff here. Let's do a big old one of these for the bottom. Let's press it really flat though. Hey, for now, you know what? I'm gonna group all this stuff here so we can move it around. We can always ungroup it. Yeah, I'm thinking, why don't we... Doesn't it know I want to be gray? This looks like a wedding cake. That's awesome. That's fine. Okay, let's add more stuff. Okay. So if this prints up like that, okay, we got to make this even more crazy. And how do we want to do that? I don't know. We just got to do more stuff. Here, let's put a ring around the bottom. Holy cow, that's quite a ring. Okay, let's see. Crank some of these up so it's smoother. Let's make it gray so at least we can kind of see what's going on here. Honestly, that's fine. I don't mind that. Okay. Now, let's get... Okay, does this look like an engine? I mean... Kinda. Oh, this could be... Oh, I see. This could be like the cone part of the engine. Oh, okay. Here, let's do this. Let's put a cone up here. I was picturing it like the other way around, but let's pretend the motor blows air this way. So let's just keep going here. Okay, we can align that later. Oops, actually it looked a little better that way, a little smaller. Okay. It's so weird. Why doesn't it know? It knows. It should know this color that I'm using. Okay. Now let's do... I feel like we're gonna have to do... like another ring. Is this attached? No, it's not. Let's just duplicate that and shrink it down. Okay, and let's pull it up. But let's make it skinnier. Okay, a lot, even more. And more. Wall thickness. Let's do 0.5. Okay, but see, we can't see all of our awesomeness, so let's do stuff so that we can see in there. First, let's do like this. I'm trying to make this so it will it'll print without supports the way it's sitting, which is perfectly awesome. Okay, let's make this nice and tall like this. And, well, here, we can just align it with the bottom. Doot. Hey, we don't want this to move. Okay, now, if we turn this to a hole and select this. Oh, well, first we have to duplicate it. So, dupe. And let's spin it. No, we got to spin it a little more than that. I guess we'll have to go all the way to there. Which means, hold on. We should have made this wider. Okay, let's do that wide. Okay. I hope this is going to look good. And here we go. Duplicate some more. There we go. And now we can select. Let's select. 13 minutes already. Geez, I guess making a spaceship could take a little while. But we're only making one engine here. Okay, and hey, before I combine that, I got an idea. Let's duplicate it because we did all this hard work. Uh-oh. Okay, leave it like that. Okay, raise it. Oh. Let's delete that. I didn't know I had this selected. Sorry, I got to do something quick. Because we might as well utilize our shapes that we made. So let's do this. And we can mirror it. Let's flip it around so it's facing the opposite way. So see, now let's raise it up. Like this. And then spin it. Oof. Hey. Okay, let's raise it up a little bit so... See, look, we're making this crazy design. Hey! Okay. Uh-oh, now we got to select just what we want, though, or it's going to cut our motor into pieces. Okay, the easiest way to do that, we're going to have to physically just select what we want. Okay, so we got to select these. I'm holding shift down to select when I want to select something. Okay, everything's selected that we want because we just want to cut this one piece, nothing else. Otherwise, the whole motor's going to get chopped up. Okay, group. Let's see if this looks stupid. Wow, this looks great. See? Sorry if I yelled in your ear. Okay, so everything's pointed upward. So we should be fine. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, and then what we can do is... Should we have it be like a set of 3? Let me think. Here, why don't we get rid of that? Let's have this be like a set of 2. Because see, every time we make something, we want to keep duplicating. Because it'll make it look like we've spent a lot of time on it, but we didn't. Okay, so let's so this is going to be the back motors. And obviously I'm not a rocket scientist because I don't think this motor would work. But we don't know what's going on in here. There's some technology, right? Um, okay, let me drink some coffee and stare at this, and we got to figure out the next little step here. Okay. Well, I just drank coffee. I didn't really think of what to do next. Here, I like these donuts. Let's just see what happens if we put a donut somewhere. Should we? Wow, it's so far away I can't grab the buttons. Um, what should we do with it? Ooh, that looks neat. Oh, I wonder. Oh, do we dare? That wouldn't look good on top of there, would it? Holy cow, we better make it at least. I wasn't making it uniformly. 1,000, don't do that! It's going to expand to your guys' house. It'll be like, what is this, a side of a donut? Wow, this actually looks amazing. Um, yeah, wait a minute. Wait, what? Okay. But we do, I'd want it to print. Okay, let me think. Oh, wow, that looks really good, though. It's got to be bigger. Oh, it looks really cool. Um, okay, let's make it gray so we can kind of really check it out. And it's not even centered yet. The only problem I'm seeing is, let's center it first. Oh, it looks really good. The only problem is, oh, actually there's a couple problems. Um, it would need supports. And we can't have supports inside there. We could try to make it a little bigger and line it up. We could try to make it so it doesn't need supports. Oh, that'll take time though. Okay, let's. Oh, I could have just held. I screwed up my own tutorial. I could have kept this lined up because I could have held Alt and Shift when I made it bigger. But now I have to align it again. We'll do that if we have to change it again. Okay, so I made it even bigger. Is it getting weird looking? I think it looks cool, but you know what I'd probably even do? I wonder if we'd have this kind of sticking out a little farther. I think this is pretty neat. Could we... Let's see what this changes. Whoa, whoa. Hey, maybe we can make it a little more delicate like that. Then this can be down in here farther. That is going to be a problem for the printer, though. Okay, I'm going to hold Alt and Shift, and now we can make it bigger. Because see, if that exact bottom there, so that would print okay. I guess if this was kind of small enough, it would probably bridge these gaps. Oof, because I can't print this huge, or it'll take like 3 days. All right, there we go. We're leaving it. I think we can get away with that. If we wanted, we could cut little uh little cuts in here, but that would take a while. Let's just leave it. I think it'll work. Okay, now we have our finished motor. Here, let's do this. Duplicate. Hold Alt and Shift. And let's make this bigger. See, why not? And then drop it down. We can always snip the bottom off. See? Yeah. And what if we do that again? Ha ha, yeah, huh? Here, now we can raise the whole motor up. Or the whole damn thing. Oops, hold on, let's make sure we get everything. There, see? Well, here, let's just raise the whole damn thing up. Are we doing good? Oh gosh, we still got to build the whole rest of the spaceship though. Oh no. Okay, and so now we can duplicate this and move it over. Do 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 do. Okay, and these are really cool motors. Right? Right, nice. Okay, we're gonna have to make them a lot smaller now. I just realized these things are like as big as a kitchen trash can. Do 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 do. Okay, we could be working a lot smaller in like this. Okay, can we, let me pause it again. Can we literally build the rest of the ship in like another 20 minutes? Maybe not. Pause. Okay, I'm back and rejuvenated. Okay, so let's move these motors and get them over here because we gotta make some major progress. I decided to give myself an hour. I won't do anything when I'm not recording, so you guys will see the whole thing. We'll call it the 1 hour challenge, spaceship challenge. Let's just pull out some shapes that we can play with. Oh yeah, definitely playing with this one. Let's bring out a Kona Rooney. Yeah, for sure that cone. I mean, we're probably going to need a little cylinders. Whatever. Let's just, can we make this into the spaceship? What does it look like if it gets big? So what if you take this and stretch it? Does it get cool? Yeah, it kind of does. I don't know why it's so floaty. Okay, let's set this back here. Boopage. Why doesn't it set down? Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh my goodness. Hey, man, we can use this to our advantage. What the? What's happening? Why did it get all derpy? Is there 2 of them there? Hey. I thought it was just a flat thing. I didn't know it was a diamond shape. Whoops. I could have been using this. Because see, we could cut. Oh dear. Okay. Because we need a basic shape. So we can maybe make this into our shape. See, we could cut off the bottom. Uh-oh, I think the cat's going to come visit me. I mean, oh. See, that would need support. Let's just actually drop it down to right here. Because we could print... Never mind, let's bring it back up. We could cut it in half. Remember when we did that blade? Yeah. Remember when we did that dagger? Go watch that video. We printed it in 2 parts. I sliced it down the middle and printed it in 2 parts. I just glued the 2 parts together. It was simple. Okay, now we have to make this more awesome. Quick. So let's duplicate it. And what if we tipped one up? Oops, not that way. No, bad. Also, oh look, it's a bird. Quack. This is quacktastic. Oh gosh, distraction. Okay, nope, that was bad. So let's take one of these. We'll tip it over. Boop. Slide it up, maybe. I clearly don't know what I'm doing. That's the fun of it, though. Whoa, wait a minute. Does this even have a perfect center? Oh, good. This was just not lined up at all. Let's pull this way up so we can drop it down, if that makes sense. Okay, let's see what it does here. Oh, beautiful. Ooh. Let's align that, but we're going to have to do something about the back too. So why don't we align it first? Okay, let's just align it. Let's figure out if we want it sticking out. Ooh, we might even be able to have it sticking out. Likey. I just hit the like button. Okay, duplicate, and let's flip this baby around so we can put one. Maybe we'll make a shorter one on the back because our engine's got to go back there. We could put the engines on. La 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 la. I mean, maybe it'll look cool long. Let's see how the engines fit with it long like this. But you know what? First, we got to stick to our rule where we have to duplicate everything. So watch. If we duplicate and make it a little wider, and then drop it down a little, like that, and then we'll center it with the body. Look at that. We just added more pizzazz. Hey, that's cool. Could everything please be gray? Do I need to figure out how to just set it to the color and it's just that color all the time? Okay, let's check it out. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, let's grab our engines. Did we group them? No, we probably didn't. You know what? We should group. Let's group one. And then bring it on over. And then flip it on over. Here, we'll leave that other one over there because we could just duplicate this one. There we go. You can hit F to zoom in on your object. Center your object and whatnot on your screen, I should say. There we go. Let's turn it to a hole so we can see if it's touching. Oh, these engines I'll probably print separate and glue them on also. But let's just see if they fit. Actually, they kind of fit awesome. Oh, yes. And let's just see what it looks like if it sticks out. It might even look better. Oh, yeah, that looks great. Does it look better sticking out? There. Well, here, they're going to be back, like, if I glue them on, they're going to be, like, sticking out this far. I could just glue them on wherever I think they look cool afterwards, you know? Ah, we are good at this. Okay, and what about... Yes, idea. I just had an idea. Okay, let's grab one of these. How are we doing on time? We have 29 minutes. And I haven't cheated because all I do is pause it and think. I don't really do anything. And actually, I haven't even been thinking. I just pause it and drink coffee and stare at the cat. And then I'm like, oh, I'm supposed to be building stuff. And then I have to go back and build stuff. Okay. Does anybody have a clue what I'm doing? You better. No, just kidding. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, watch this. Let's do a quick cutout. Da da do do. So we're gonna make this cone have a flat side like this. Let's make sure we don't cut our ship, because that would be shippy. Okay, and oops, come on now. I don't think I was all the way in. Oh, is the top sticking out? Oh yeah, it was. Oh, that's a silly Billy. Okay, let's group these. This will cut a flat spot here, right? And let's turn it gray. And check it out. You guys are going to be like, wow, what a smart guy. Okay, so we're gonna put this sticking up back here. Ah, it already looks amazing. And guess what we're gonna do with that? Okay, let's make sure. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good. That's good. And we're going to have to. Let's see. We'll figure it out. But check it out. You know what we're gonna do? Yeah. Yes, we are. We're gonna put more engines. This set of engines is gonna be smaller. Look at this. Is gonna be awesome. Okay. Look at that, huh? Okay, let's see what it looks like. Yes, of course. That's awesome. And see how easy that was? Um, oh, geez, come on now. I was trying to raise it. Should we just kind of eyeball it onto this circle? Oh, wow, it's not even close. I'm just pushing buttons and it's not doing what I want. Okay. I mean, it's not really... Did I not make this? Oh, I see. It's kind of an oval. Ah. The way I cut that cone means it's kind of an oval. Uh, but I'll be gluing these on too, so I can just glue them on right in the center. Okay, let's copy and paste this. I mean, duplicate it. Dang it. Start over. Okay. Okay, select that and select that. It shouldn't be so hard. See what I mean? Once you start duplicating, like it looks like you're adding so much. Ooh, maybe we should make like, let's see if we should move them. It kind of would look cool. We can't waste too much time thinking about it, but let's do it for a little bit. It looks. Let's see how high up we can have these. The bottom of the cone has to be in. Oh, it still is. Hey, now we can move it up as far as we want. Okay, let's figure out where it looks good. Ooh, yeah. See, it looks better when it's up like that. Okay, so let's get rid of this one, and we will move on. So, yeah, let's just get rid of it because we could just slide this one over and it'll be in the same line. Boing. Okay, we have to get them at the same. So look, this one is. How do we tell how close they are? Oh, that ain't right. Wait, what am I doing? This ain't right. Oh, I know why it looks... Did I have to mirror it also? Weird. Let me try. Let me get rid of this one that we made. Actually, I could just still mirror it. For some reason, it looks different than the other one. So see? There. Let's flip it. It's because that the dang thing wasn't an actual oval. Or something. Something is like confusing me. Okay, I know a way to fix it. Watch this. Okay, just group these as a set. And one, if they're grouped as an actual object... Oh, but we want to print these separate. Uh-oh, I'm wasting time fumbling. Don't fumble. No fumbles. Now I know what to do. Group these two as an object. So see, these are going to be attached to the ship. So group them. There. And now we can align them with the spaceship. Actually, yeah, all this stuff can get aligned in case it's not. Okay. See, look, not everything's aligned because this circle's black. Let's literally just line up everything. There we go. So now these two are exact. And these four engines I'm going to print sitting upright off of the ship anyway. Let's do another detail. Okay, we need some more detail. I feel like we're going to need... Ooh, let's bring in the Kona Rooney. Should we try to do like a little... Uh-oh, we only got 20 minutes left. That's okay. We could do it. Should we try to do like a little, whatever it's called? Cockpit window. Is that what it is? What if we make it transparent? I was just about to say I can't print it transparent, but yeah, I can. I have transparent filament. I've never used it. Maybe I'll print this part separate. But we'll do a cutout. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see if we can pull this off quick. That's cranked up. We should do a cutout. Is this big enough? I mean, yeah, I guess. We're going to have to do something here, but that's fine. So let's try this once. Let's duplicate it. Uh-oh, we should align it. I don't trust lining it up. I want to line it up with the end of the ship. Oh, it is lined up. Okay, hurry up, me. Okay, watch. Duplicate. And we'll turn the duplicate into a hole. And then we will select these body parts for it to cut into. Just in case it cuts really far. And we can group them. Okay, we got our little cutout. It didn't cut much. I feel like we're gonna probably want to cut a bigger cockpit down in there, won't we? Should we just try something real quick? Let's do this and this and this. Let's cut one a little farther down in. Okay, that's a little better. And hey, it gave us some detail. Ooh, that's actually kind of cool. Yes, we'll stick with that. But we have to fix this. Um, what would we do? Um, I don't know. I don't know what to do. How do we put something here? I thought maybe we could use another one of these. Like this? Does that work? No way that works. Does it? No. Oh god, I can't see. We have to turn them back gray. I mean, not transparent. Yeah, see, that doesn't work. Jeez, I told you. Uh-oh, we are wasting valuable time. We have a short amount of time. Okay, we could put a sphere there. Should we try a sphere? Is this too high up too now that we're seeing it? We're seeing it solid. Uh-oh, we don't want this to be the reason we don't do it on time. Okay, let's just leave it. Let's add shapes to it. That'll be fine. What should we add? One of these? This is where the satellite dish attaches for the direct TV. Oh, do. No, that doesn't fit. Oh, I could sink it down in. Don't judge me, everybody. You know what I'm saying? We could put it down in. We could even tilt it. Hey, we might be onto something. It might not be the prettiest thing in the world. Maybe we could fix it up though. Okay, first let's align it. Okay, we want it to line up. Okay, let's make it smaller or bigger, whatever looks better. Hold control and shift. Hey, that's more compact. Hey, that's not bad. See if we have more time too, then we could how about real quick we could cut an angle in it. Let's do that. Let's change the angle actually. I don't know if this is going to look good or worse. It might look worse actually. Uh-oh. We got to select this part too. Oh, now I turned it white. Oof. Uh-oh, we got 15 minutes. Ah, don't like. Do not like. What can we do? Delete it? This all looks pretty cool. Okay, what can we put? What can we put over that? Should I have kept the... Oh gosh, I'm really wasting time though, ain't I? Uh-oh. I'm allowed to pause it. Oh, I could have paused it while I'm waiting. Oh no. I don't know about this cockpit idea. This looks awful. Okay, I'm definitely deleting that. Um. Oh my goodness. I don't think we're going to have time for the cockpit. Let's get rid of this one. Let's see if we could just use this one as a shape. Like, as part of the build. Oops, I don't want it I want it solid. Okay? Because what we could do is we could just kind of have more of a mock-up of... Like, we could pretend the ship is huge, so the cockpit would be really tiny. There'd just be some little windows sticking out, you know? Why don't we try that? Yeah, let's do something like that. So let's do this. Yeah, let's do something like this. And like this. And then like this. No. Spin it the other way. Okay, we're down to 10 minutes, guys. And I could prep it for printing. Here, get over there, sir. Oh, wow, that was really going up. See, like, what if... Can't we just have this be the little... The bridge? The bridge! Yes, I'm smart. We could have this be the bridge. Oh, you know what we could have done? Would it be faster if I built it on the ground? I could probably build it faster on the ground. Watch this. That was not faster. Okay, watch. Align. Because the shapes start out 20 by 20. So look. We can combine it. There we go. So you can combine shapes fast on the right away before you mess with them. There, see, this is the shape I wanted to make. Okay, speed, we're speed running. Speed tinkering. There we go. Here, this is our bridge. We're going to have this go back. A little wider. Okay, let's see how she fits. How can I tell where it's at? Boop. We're going to have to stick with it even if it's ugly. That's what I was told when I had my first child. Wait, I only have one child. No wonder. They wouldn't let me have any more. Yeah, see? We're not stupid. Or are we? Okay. This can get pushed back to, you know, this could be part of the spaceship shapes. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's make, oh crap, we have to align that. Why does it look so aligned already? Quick, and we have 10 minutes. Okay, there we go. Let's cut, I want to cut a hole in that for like little windows. Ooh, we can do our own advice that I said earlier. Duplicate, raise it up, and make it smaller. It disappeared, it's so small. Where is it? Oh my gosh, it did disappear. I was joking. Hold on. Duplicate. Raise it up. and make it smaller. See? Okay, and then we'll push it back. We could do a little stackiness, see? Yeah. Oh yeah. There ain't nothing wrong with that. We got time for that. Okay, and up. We gotta hurry, bros. Because we didn't really get any detail over here. We're gonna have to think of something. We're gonna have to think of something grand, not grand, like easy. Uh-oh, we don't want to cut this too far in, or it's gonna be an overhang. Uh-oh, I could show you guys a cheat. Watch this. Oh, this is so cool. I've done this before. Okay, we want to cut a shallow little thing in there. So watch this. Turn this to a solid. And then watch. Select this one. Duplicate it. Turn it to a hole. And then combine it with this. And now we turn this into a hole. Because look. Oops, I shouldn't have moved it. But look, now it's a cutout. See, now we can do a gentle... I shouldn't have... there. See, now we can do a little, like a 2mm cut that won't screw everything up. Okay. Yeah, that won't give us an overhang then. Okay, watch, see? Yeah, look. Which means we need to get rid of these because we have a cool detail that we should have... that needs to be in the other ones too. Get what I'm saying? Yeah, see? Okay, push it back. And duplicate. There. And if I want, we could push them down a little. Yeah, they're sticking up a little too crazy. Let's just put this one like that. Okay, awesome. Okay, let's add a detail up here. Uh-oh, we only got 5 minutes? That's not very nice. Oh, why did I do that? Wait, maybe we do want it to look like a weird... I thought we could kind of do like it was like a satellite, some kind of a friggin' thing up there. Let's see if it looks good. Yeah, that's fine. Because we're gonna go up and down. We could even do an antenna. Like, how about we do this? Okay, we still got 5 minutes. Okay. Geez, this was supposed to be... I said I wanted to do a stress-free build. But when I'm racing the clock, it wasn't stress-free. Okay, we have to make sure that this is lined up real quick. I don't know. I haven't had time to look if I like my new antenna or not. How about let's tip it? Move it back. Sink it down. Sure. Hey. Uh-oh, we only got like 4 minutes. Okay. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do, guys? We gotta somehow get some... We gotta somehow get some detail on the side. Oh gosh, come on. We gotta get some details on the side. What do we do? Um, um, I don't know. Here, it's easier if it's gray. Okay, that won't work because it has an overhang. So it'd have to be way down, and that's not going to work. Can we just make some dents in the side? Uh-oh. Am I wasted my valuable last minutes? Probably. Come on, baby. Cooperate. Oh, no. This is not... This will take too long. Right? Maybe if I turn it in even more. And then the tip is is the problem. Uh-oh. Yeah, we got 2 minutes. Hey, there we go. There we go. That's detail. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Watch this. Let's duplicate. And it's got to stay down, though. Duplicate, duplicate. Nope, nope, nope. Okay. Okay, we still got a minute and a half. Okay. That can go out like this. There we go. Yes. Yes. Yes, that's awesome. I don't know if these are, let's see. Okay, we got 1 minute. We could quick figure out if these are in or what. Okay, so that's out. Okay, that's just barely in. Okay, let's go to the other one. Okay, we got 30 seconds. Okay, that's in. Okay, and just in case I don't think we got enough time. Nope, we have 15 seconds. I was going to try one more thing. Okay, now we can at least look. We could step back and look at our finished. Yes. Yeah. Oh my gosh, thank God we did that last part. Nice, dude. All right. Okay, let's get rid of stuff we don't need. See, we're not building. We can look at it though. So, okay, let's. Oh man. Oh gosh, we got lucky at the end there, didn't we? See, that can add an excitement. We'll call it the 1 hour spaceship. You guys can try it out. Um, maybe next time I'll get. I think I spent a little too much time on these awesome engines, but look at how good they are. Oh, we did it just in time. Look, I think the tips of the. Look, here's the tips of these. Are they sticking out? Not even enough to notice. Oh, I'm proud of us. And look, hey, this doesn't count, but let me just try something. See, once it's done like this, see, we could smush the whole thing. Look. See? Let's leave it how it was, because look, our engines are smushed. So see, I didn't change it. Da 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 do 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 do. All right, not too bad. Kind of looks like a boat, like a yacht. It's a yacht, a space yacht. There we go. I'm naming it Space Yacht. All right, hey, I'll probably get this printed out. I'm trying to think if I can print this today or not. Okay, I'll get this printed out and we'll see what it looks like.
Whoa, dude. I actually didn't think this would be so cool. Look at this. Dude, it turned out awesome. I glued it all together already. The only parts that are kind of janky is the fine details of the engines. I'll show you in a second. Because I had to do it on the big printer because the little printer, the new one, is busy. But look, I made a little stand that it sits on. Yeah, there. Because otherwise, I realized it didn't have a flat bottom. So here, let's check it out closer. Dude, I did not think this would look so cool. I didn't think I would like it this much. This silver, kind of silvery filament works really nice. But see, I didn't make there's no flat spot. So in that last 15 seconds, I should have added a quick little flat spot. So it just sits however it wants, like that. But yeah, so let's see if it'll focus here. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, it won't really. But see, the little details of the engines are pretty crappy. But all around, whoa, it looks really cool, don't it? Oh, yeah, I love it. I think once a month we should do a 1 hour spacecraft. We'll have like a segment. Here, let me get this back on its beautiful display. Yeah, we should have a 1 hour a 1 hour challenge build once a month, and I can have a collection of the spaceship then. Oh, that'll be so cool. Because I'm trying to think of how I can keep sustainably making a video every single day. I should almost get kind of a structure going where it's like, once a month we'll do one of these spaceships. Once a month we'll do a different type of thing. We'll have, I'll figure it all out. So this is really awesome. I can't wait to make another one, but I got to wait a little while. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hit like and subscribe, because if you want to see a video every day, then you got to subscribe. Okay, see you on the next one, guys. Bye.